Hi everybody, good morning. I'm still down here in Eastbourne, in the Asda car park. Stayed here last night after having some work done on my vehicle yesterday. A big green energy conversions. I just bought some of this. Hang on a minute. Yeah, I just bought some Demon Shot screen wash booster. So I'll just put some in the van. It's in there. So I just use a little funnel to put that in. Just makes it easier to get in. And then I had some water anyway in that bottle. Yeah, so yeah, gorgeous day. So I might stay in Eastbourne for a little while today. Go to might pop around the Morrisons. They do a nice all day breakfast. So anyway, I'll get the bonnet down. I did a little bit of shopping. So I'll shoot off and I'll see you later. Bye. Gotta go out and turn right. I'll just go straight ahead. I was going to get some diesel here. It's at Asda in Eastbourne. It's only $1.56. I'll say only. I mean, I normally fill up at Costco. I have a Costco account. But unfortunately, the nearest Costco here is Southampton. There is one at Croydon, but they don't do fuel. So I'm alright at the moment. I got 3/4 of a tank. Yeah, it's still 1:56 today. I might stay here in Eastbourne again tonight. I was here last night. Not in the Asda car park, just on the other side. They got a new B&M, and there's a car park there next to that. And I think that's free. I don't think there's any parking restrictions. I couldn't see any signage. It's quite warm. I'm not sure what the temperature is. It's got to be around 15, which is good for this time of the year. It's what? It's the 26th of October. A bright autumn sunny day. Right, we're about 2 to 3 minutes away from Morrison's. Just got another 2 roundabouts to go. One that goes straight over, and the other one I have to go around and come back on myself.
Go around the roundabout.
I went into Morrison's last night, and I had some dinner in there last night. Well, I say last night, it was probably about 5 o'clock, 4:30, 5 o'clock. I'll get this all-day breakfast. I think it's about $5.99 for an all-day breakfast, and that'll keep me going all day. I've got some stuff in my fridge, so I can make myself something to eat later, and I can make tea, coffee. You know, I've got plenty of gas in the tank. It's 1:58 in Morrison. Okay, that's me. I'll catch you in a bit. Bye. Okay, here we are. Just Morrison's in front of me. I've got my good old trusty steering lock on the steering wheel. Never leave the car unattended without that on. Okay, so yeah, just gonna go out now and take a walk over and get something to eat. Wow, just here in Morrison's now. Just ordered breakfast, full breakfast, £6. So I'm just waiting for that to arrive. That should be a couple of minutes. Breakfast is just arrived. Looks delicious. Right, I'll leave you and I'll tuck into this. Good, those pumpkins, wow.